In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale photos with AI in Canva. We'll walk through a simple, clear process so you can take a low resolution or slightly blurry image and make it look sharper and more professional, all without leaving Canva. This is especially useful if you're working on social media posts, presentations, or print designs, and your original photo just doesn't look crisp enough. First, open your design in Canva and make sure the photo you want to improve is already on your canvas. It might be a picture you uploaded or something from Canva's own photo library. Once you see it on your design, click directly on the photo. You should notice that the image is now selected with a border or handles around it. This tells Canva that you're working specifically with that photo, which is important before you can edit or upscale it. With the photo still selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar and click on the option labeled Edit. This will open a panel, usually on the left or right side, that shows all the editing tools available for that image. If you don't see Edit right away, make sure the image is still selected. Sometimes clicking away from the picture hides those options. Inside the Edit panel, you'll want to navigate to the area called Magic Studio. This is where Canva keeps many of its AI-powered tools. Magic Studio can include features for enhancing, editing, or transforming content, and it's the section that will help you upscale your photos using artificial intelligence. Take a moment to let the panel load fully so you can see all the available options. Once you're in Magic Studio, start to explore the tools and effects that are focused on improving image quality. Look for options that mention enhancing details, sharpening, or improving resolution. These AI tools are designed to analyze your photo and intelligently fill in missing details, making your image appear clearer and more polished without you needing advanced editing skills. As you experiment, try applying an enhancement and then zoom in on your image to compare the before and after. If the effect looks too strong, you can usually adjust the intensity or undo the change and try a different option. When you're happy with how your photo looks, simply close the panel and continue designing as normal. Your upscaled, AI-enhanced image is now ready to use in your Canva project.